Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's video, we're going to be talking about sex and the over 50s. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you need to click that subscribe button. As we get older, our bodies change, and so does our sex drive. And that is completely normal and natural. But sex doesn't need to be any less enjoyable or stop just because you reach the big 50. So here are our top tips on how to enjoy sex when you're over 50. I've said it before, and I definitely will say it again. Lube, lube, and more lube. Now, it doesn't matter how old you are, your sexuality, or how you identify, lube is fabulous. It is absolutely great for masturbation, it's brilliant for foreplay and fantastic for actual sex. It makes everything super sleek and smooth and reduces friction. And as we get older, our bodies don't perform in quite the same way as they once did. So vaginal dryness can be really common. In fact, it is a really common occurrence. But that doesn't mean that you don't want sex or can't have sex or shouldn't have sex. Instead, take the pressure off you and off your body and get some lube. This is the Lovehoney water-based Enjoy lubricant. It's really long-lasting, a little goes a long way, and I recommend handy pump bottles because when you're in the throes of passion, it's really easy just to dispense a little bit extra if you need it. My next tip, have a browse around the lingerie section. Now, lingerie is a great way to make a sex session, whether with your partner or even on your own, extra special. Lovehoney have so many styles to choose from, so have fun shopping for your perfect set. I absolutely love the Lovehoney plunge set in Moonlight. The red wine colour is gorgeous, the lace detailing is fabulous, and no matter what your body shape, this is super flattering, helping you to feel super confident and really sexy. My next tip is to do a little bit of reading. Tracy Cox wrote this amazing book for the over 50s with tons of useful information, tips and tricks. It's definitely worth picking up a copy and having a read. Getting to know what is normal and natural for you and your body and what your options are when it comes to going forward is an ideal way to future-proof your sex life. It's also worth noting that accepting your body as it is today in the present state is really important. It's worth noting that libido comes and goes, and just because you might be in a little bit of a dip now doesn't mean you're not going to come out of it at a later date. Now, this goes for absolutely everyone. It's also worth taking the pressure off yourself. If you don't feel like having sex, don't have it. If you do, do. It really is that simple. Taking the pressure off having to perform means that you're free to enjoy one another and yourself in other ways. My next tip is to enjoy experimentation. Pick a toy you've never tried before, or if you've never tried one at all, choose one for the very first time. The act of shopping for this will build positive anticipation, and experimenting with it will up your pleasure potential and bring you closer together as a couple. Now, this toy would be ideal. It's from Tracy Cox and has been designed with the over 50s in mind. It's the Soft Feel clitoral vibrator and it is pebble shaped, so it fits in your hand nicely. You can see we have this beautiful curved body, ideal for clitoral stimulation. It has 10 different modes to choose from. It's completely waterproof, so you can enjoy this in the bath or the shower, and it's really petite and discreet as well. It's also, true to its name, super soft and has this lovely squidgy tip, so it feels fantastic against the skin. I'd recommend using this with a little dollop of water-based lube and make sure you give it a clean after each and every use so it's nice and hygienic for the next time you want to use it. So there you have it, some top tips for sex for the over 50s. Thank you so much for watching. If I've missed your top tip, please pop your comments in the box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you never want to miss another one, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait till next week for another video, then don't worry, because there's one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight, and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.